Hello, I just wanted to show you really quick how you can add somebody as an administrator to your Facebook business page. So what you want to do is go to your Facebook business page like this, and then they have all of the stuff on the new Facebook, which hopefully you're using. So you go down to this bottom little sprocket or turning wheel or whatever that is, and you click page settings. Once you get there, you want to go to page roles and then just assign a new page role. And this is going to pop up here really soon. Takes my computer just a moment to catch up with everything. It's running as hard as it can. Be your page owner. Here's where you assign the new page role. And then you would type the person's name or email address in there. And then you would assign them a specific set of credentials or tasks that they can do. They can be an admin, an editor, moderator, an advertiser, analyst, or do a custom. Usually though, if you're using somebody to do your social media for you, you would either make them an admin or an editor. So I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Email me at Sue, S-U-E, at SUEELLISSALLER.com. Thanks. Take care. And then I gotta stop the recording.